Staff Selection Commission is an organization under the government to recruit staff for various posts in ministries and departments of the Government of India. SSC conducts SSC multitasking staff exam to recruit candidates for the posts of multitasking staff for different government offices. Any candidate who has cleared class 10th or 12th from a recognized board can appear for SSC MTS exam. Today we are going to talk about SSC MTS exam. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Birth. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the SSC MTS exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now we will discuss the eligibility criteria for cracking SSC MTS exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. Candidates must have passed class 10th or 12th or any other equivalent exam from a recognized board. The general age limit for SSC MTS exam is 18 to 25 years. For SCs or STs, there is a relaxation in the upper age limit by 5 years, and for OBC candidates, it is 3 years. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for SSC MTS exam. SSC MTS exam is held in two stages, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is online computer-based test while Paper 2 is offline pen-paper-based test. Paper 1 is conducted for 100 marks for time duration of 90 minutes. Questions will be asked in 4 sections: General Knowledge, Reasoning, Mathematics and English. There are 25 questions in each of the sections. The questions will be of multiple choice and contain negative marking for every wrong attempt. Each question carries 1 mark and 1/4 of mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The questions will be asked in Hindi and English language only. Paper 2 is conducted. Paper 2 will be qualifying in nature. So, the link of the syllabus is given in the description below. Let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the SSC MTS exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Prepare essay and letter writing for Paper 2. Read basic mathematics and revise all the formulas for mathematics section. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your current affairs and English. Youth for Work provides Prep Guru app for free mock test. Use this for your regular practice. The link of the app is given in the description below.